up, everybody? We are here at Half Moon Cay, and they are not joking when they say that the sand is soft. So we rented one of these. You can get those like online at Carnival, the excursions, because I think they're sold out. I do not have my little door that goes on here, so I can't get my GoPro wet on this trip. No snorkeling, nothing like that. Ooh, that water's cold. It feels good. Damn, let's just okay. Oh, it feels so good. Okay, right there where the boys are at. All right, there we go. I think we're past that. So clear, so clear. There goes something.
It's a shark.
It's a shark. Man, I wish I would have brought my little door. I need to order another one. Can't believe I misplaced it. Anyway, we're gonna go and go swimming a little bit, and I can't bring you with me, but we are at Half Moon Cay. Try to be on the first tender boat coming out. So if you stay in a suite or if you're a diamond platinum, you'll have priority. Other than that, I think you gotta get up early and claim your prize. And we stay at a suite, and soon we will be a platinum, but we'll still be staying in suites anyway. But we'll so we just got up this morning and just got ready. Didn't have to really fight with anybody to get our spot. This is the biggest waste of money, but it's fun. So we're playing, but I have a system now. We're not going completely broke on this. Well, I'm not. She is. I'm not. So today was Half Moon K, and it was a good day. I think so. Lived up to expectations in a way. I know the first time I seen a picture of Half Moon K was actually in the port of New Orleans, and I said, I've got to go there. And so today, it definitely didn't disappoint. Water was super clear, beautiful waters. I would say that when we go back, I think we got spoilt with other places that we go to, right? Like Honduras, where we get the cabanas, and then places like Nachicacom and Cozumel. But all in all, it was fun. It was just super packed, just a lot of people. I kind of expected that. Just like in the last cruise I did on the Vista, I had lasagna for an appetizer and for a main. And our server was like, "Are you sure about that?" I'm like, "Absolutely." And definitely did it. I don't care. Did a little casino, but we played this little quarter game. I don't know. Now we're like really addicted to it. She loses money. I don't lose as much because I have a system down. I have a system. So anyway, we're out here just poking along out here, going to Nassau, just super slow. I think that said we're doing like 7 knots. Like, I think you can walk faster than this. I'm not sure how much I'm going to film the rest of the cruise. I've showed you guys everything pretty much that we do. So this, so we may put the last 3 full days, we may do that as one video. We'll see. But from out here in the Eastern Caribbean, edge of the Atlantic, right here in the Bahamas, we're gonna let you guys go. I appreciate you guys watching. Hope you guys enjoyed today's video. As short as what it was, didn't show you too much. I wish I would have had my waterproof stuff with the GoPro here, but I didn't do it. I didn't think I was going to get, camera underwater. So lesson learned. Anyways, we'll talk to you guys later. Thanks for watching 73.